Guten Tag. Welcome to the German A1 course on Polyglot Cafe. This course is divided into short topic-based videos, so you can learn step by step or jump straight to what you need. All lessons are organized into a playlist for easy access. If you prefer a full structured lesson, there's also a Bootcamp video on this channel, completely free, combining everything into one. In Unit 1, we'll cover the basics. Greetings, the verb to be, pronunciation, numbers, dates, and noun genders, giving you a solid foundation to start speaking German. Let's begin with Lesson 1, Greetings. We will begin by listening to a brief dialogue which will introduce the key phrases covered in this lesson.
Hallo, wie geht's?
Gut, danke. Und dir?
Auch gut, bis später.
Tschüss.
When greeting someone in German, you have a few options depending on the time of day and how formal you want to be.
Hallo. Hallo.
You can say hello, which is a casual and common way to say hello. It works in almost any situation.
Guten Tag. Guten Tag.
Another option is Guten Tag, which means good day. It's a bit more formal, often used when meeting someone for the first time or in professional settings.
Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen.
If it's before noon, you can say Guten Morgen, which means good morning. It's used to greet someone in the morning hours.
Guten Abend. Guten Abend.
In the evening, we say Guten Abend, which means good evening. It's generally used after 6 p.m.
Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht.
At the end of the night, when it's time to go to sleep, we say Gute Nacht, which means good night. It's used when saying goodbye before bedtime, and not as a general evening greeting.
Tschüss. Tschüss.
For saying goodbye, you can use Tschüss, which is a casual way to say bye. It's perfect for friends or people you know well.
Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen.
If you want to be a bit more formal when leaving, you can say Auf Wiedersehen, which means goodbye, or literally, until we see each other again. To say see you later, you can use bis später, or bis bald, for see you soon. If you're leaving for the day, bis morgen means see you tomorrow.
Bis später. Bis später. Bis bald. Bis bald. Bis morgen. Bis morgen.
And that's it for greetings. Simple, right? Practice these and you'll be ready to greet anyone in German.